Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to turn off your location on Snapchat. Let's go for it. First of all, open up Snapchat and go to your map. Okay, sometimes like this I don't want to show my location to my friends, so I just want to hide them. So for this I have to set this. Okay, first of all, go to at top right side settings option, and here is options for you. Ghost mode means when you enable it, your friends can see your location. So okay, it is okay, I don't want to show them this. Okay, just turn on this and enable ghost mode is until turned off. Okay, step on here. This no one can show you location now. Okay, thank you for watching.